Republic has been talking about the certain divide that seems to be seen in the farmer unions there who are not supporting the Bharat Bandh call tomorrow, that is on the 8th of December. Similar line that has now been taken up by the TMC. Now, TMC MP Saugata Roy has said, while the TMC stands with the protesting farmers, but it will not back the Bandh in the state of West Bengal. They say that it goes against the party's ethics and its principles. They are standing with the agitating farmers that have been protesting since the last 12 days, but they will not support the call for Bharat Bandh in the state of West Bengal. Listen in. But before we listen in to what the TMC leader has to say, going across quickly to Aishwarya Kapoor for more on this. Aishwarya, what is this kind of a change in stand or a divide? How do we understand this situation? Because they are with the farmers, not supporting the Bharat Bandh call, where many of the opposition parties have already jumped in the fray.
Well, Amita, it seems very, very clearly that TMC chief Mamata Banerjee has understood that if she falls for this propaganda, like if she falls for this politics which is being done on the farmers, because let there be no doubt about it that the farmers of India, to be very specific, do not indulge in politics. Farmers, ever since independence, have never done politics. It's only the politicians who have used, or if you could call it, misused farmers to earn their own political brownie points. Mamata Banerjee is playing a very, very smart play at this very point of time. You know, Bengal elections are right around the corner. Heat is right there. She understands that one wrong decision by her is going to adversely impact the upcoming Bengal elections. Akhilesh still has around 24 months. Akhilesh is still taking that chance. But Mamata Banerjee playing very, very smartly, not falling for this Congress propaganda. And because the very fact that the unholy alliance of the Akali Dal and then the Congress party, which has come out only and only to settle their political scores, is something which has been sensed by Mamata Banerjee. And also, Mamata is a kind of a leader, Amita, who would not want to piggyback on someone else's political movement. She would want to start her own. And as far as Bengal is concerned, this does not directly or indirectly impact the middlemen of Bengal. And this is something which Mamata Banerjee clearly understands, because at this point of time, Mamata Banerjee is a grassroots leader. Amita, she understands that given the present climate and given the present timing, 85% of India's farmer, irrespective of north, south, east, west, is toiling in his or her field. The Rabi crop is being cropped in right now. So the real farmers are on their fields. The political farmers are playing it all around. And Mamata Banerjee deciding not to play with them is something which could only be called a very, very smart political move at this point of time, Amita.
All right, Aishwarya, thanks very much for that quick update, because it seemed there has been a certain change in the stand where you have the TMC playing an altogether different card, saying that they support the issue of Bandh, but they do not support the call for Bharat Bandh. Listen in to the TMC MP.
नहीं, दुखद बात उनका तो मांग है कि ये बिल को विथड्रॉ हो जाना चाहिए। तो अभी तक सरकार तो इसको माना नहीं है। सरकार कुछ अमेंडमेंट सजेस्ट कर रहा है। तो अगर सरकार विथड्रॉ नहीं करेंगे, ये आंदोलन बंद करना मुश्किल है।
लेकिन बीजेपी का कहना है कि सिर्फ कुछ क्षेत्र के ही जो किसान हैं और उसको अपोजिशन पार्टी जो है उनको गुमराह करके रोड पे लाके ये प्रोटेस्ट करवा रही है। कहीं ना कहीं पूरे देश के किसान इस बिल के समर्थन में हैं।
देखिए, जो दो राज्य में ये आंदोलन हो रहा है, पंजाब और हरियाणा, वही सारा देश को खाद्य पहुंचाता है। चावल और गेहूं पंजाब हरियाणा से ही सारा देश में जाता है और रेशन का व्यवस्था संभालता है। तो आंदोलन तो यहाँ पर ही होगा जहां लोगों का डिमांड है मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस, वही हो रहा है। क्या बोलते हैं सरकार, इसको कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है। अगर पंजाब हरियाणा से चावल और गेहूं आना बंद हो जाएगा तो पूरा रेशनिंग सिस्टम कोलैप्स कर जाएगा।
सर, कल जगदीप धनखड़ हमारे गवर्निंग इटसेल्फ फॉर रूल ऑफ लॉ, क्या कहेंगे?
धनखड़ तो अनाप शनाप बोलने में माहिर है, बराबर बोलते रहते हैं। उनको ये संवैधानिक अधिकार नहीं है